Welcome to using WebSockets and JavaScript to build a real-time notification system, an autism-friendly coding tutorial where we'll walk through creating a simple real-time server that sends notifications instantly. We'll then go through creating a client to receive these notifications. Then I'll tell you how to test the code using the Node.js runtime. No rushing, no jargon, just calm, clear coding. We'll do this in 6 steps. Let's start with step 1, creating and initializing a package. In step 1, we create a node package. This allows us to add the WebSocket library to our project. To do this, first create a new folder called WebSocket_app. In this folder, run npm init in your terminal, setting the main file to server.js and leaving everything else alone. Before moving on, there's an important step. In your package.json file, add type module. This tells Node.js to treat your files as ES modules, so you can use import and export instead of require. Without this setting, Node will throw an error when we try to import the WebSocket library. The next step is to install the WebSockets library. This library allows us to make a WebSocket server. To install the package, run npm iws in the terminal window from before. The next step is setting up the server. In a new file called server.js, import the WebSocket server class from WS, start a WebSocket server on a port like 8080, and write a handler to manage client connections. Save this file in the project folder. Now it's time to create a client. Create a new file in the project folder called client.js. In this file, you'll import the WebSocket class from WS, start a connection to the server, then listen for any error and for the message from the server. Now that you have the code written out, it's time to test it. Run node server.js in your terminal to run the server. Then in another terminal, go to the project folder and run node client.js to run the client script. After 5 seconds, the client.js window should show the example notification. Today you learned how to use WebSockets to send notifications from a server and receive them in a client. If this kind of direct, autism-friendly coding tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.